Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. A natural example of this color is found in the particular flower, goes by the same name. It's a shade of purple. This color is produced by combining blue and a touch of red, resulting in a soft, light purple hue. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Lavender, lavender, lav, ender, lavender. Lavender is crucial in the context of interior design and fashion, helping designers and stylists to create calming and aesthetically pleasing environments. It's a color often associated with tranquility and elegance. If you enjoyed learning about lavender, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.